Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated May 16, 2023. So, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, members of BASIL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk, and read all the related documents carefully before investing. So talking about Nifty's chart movement for the day and the past few days, you can see Nifty has been ascending well since it has reclaimed its 100 DMA, and even the 21 DMA line is moving higher, which is a really good sign for Nifty at the moment. It's making new highs. As you can see, it's closed around the 18,400 levels. It went above the 18,400 levels yesterday, but came under some profit booking under the last 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and closed around the 18,400 level. And we still some off highs at the moment. So when if the follow through day doesn't come and like the off high happens, then probably we'll come back to a confirmed uptrend. Or ideally, we should get a follow through day. That is what is required to take the markets to a confirmed uptrend. At the moment, market is looking good in terms of how it has ascended well from 16,828 to nearly 18,400 at the moment. And it went around some consolidations around these levels, around the 18,100, 18,200 levels, where it found it difficult to probably break those highs. Now it's above those resistance level. And uh, going forward, I mean, uh, given the extension from the 21, the 50 DMA is not much at the moment. And if there is some correction, there is some retracement, Nifty should find some support around those. So talking about key news, uh, we'll be talking about some key results yesterday as it was the result season. And Coromandel, the Q4 FY23 revenue grew by 29.5% YY. However, the PAT declined 15% YY. The EBITDA margins contracted 160 bips YY to 7.4%. Your PGHL, your Q4 FY23 revenue grew 19.8% YY. PAT was up 15.7% YY. The margins contracted 90 bips YY to 24.8%. Pfizer, your revenue grew 4.2% YY, EBITDA grew 10% YY, and margins expanded a good 170 bips YY to 31.8%. Astral also came up with a very good result, and the Q4 FY23 revenue grew 8.3% YY, and your PAT grew 45.5% YY, and you can see even the margins expanded for 90 bips YY to 20.5%. Yesterday, your FIs bought Indian equities worth 1685 crores and DI bought Indian equities worth 191 crores. Key results for today are Amber Enterprises, Automotive Excels, Bank of Baroda, Bharti Airtel, PCI Products, your EIH Associated Hotels, Jindal Steel and Power, JK Paper, Jubilant Ingravia, Kajare Ceramics, among others. So even yesterday, your global markets, in terms of US markets went higher. Dow went higher by 0.1%, S&P 500 by 0.3, and Nasdaq Composite by 0.7. Your Asian markets are also trading higher at the moment. Asian Shanghai Composite is trading higher by 0.2%, Nikkei by 0.7%, Kospi by 0.2%. Even your SGX Nifty is indicating slightly positive opening of around 4850 points, and it's trading around 18447. Previous close is around 18398, so higher by around 4850 points at the moment. Talking about the chart of the day, for us is Craftsman Automation. The stock is forming a stage 1 double bottom base. As you can see on the right hand side of the base, good accumulation has been happening when probably the second bottom or the stock was undercutting. You can see volume drying up, which was a really good sign. On the right hand side of the base, you can see your RS line moving higher, which is a good sign. Even now, the stock is 3% to the pivot. and just for a 5.9% off highs. So I mean, even this percent, if some good accumulation like yesterday come in, and even your RS line move higher, probably a blue dot can come in as well. And if the stock breaks out on above average volume, it can be a very good stock to watch out for. EPS strength is very good at 95. Similar can be seen in the last 4 quarter results as well, and even in the return on equity for the stock as well at 17%. Your price strength is very, very good at 72, which is improving. Buy demand is also good at B minus. Your fund holding for the stock has been improving very well. On quarter-on-quarter basis, it's up 34.2.9%. Which is a really good sign. So let's see if the stock is able to break out on above average volume and is able to sustain that breakout or not. If it does, it becomes a really good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday